Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones HUAWEI FreeBuds 6i. To make a hard reset, you should press and hold connecting button until you can see that LED start flashing red. Okay, we have it. Now close the case and remove your headphones from your device. Now open the case, press and hold for at least 3 seconds connectional button. And add your device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.